This is Charles from Priority Fire Protection. Just wanted to go over these systems with you for a second. So what we have here is a 6-burner range commercial hood system. Type 1 is meant for grease-producing appliances. This has a Ansel fire protection system and an Ansel pull station and fire extinguisher. Basically how these systems are designed to work is if you're cooking and you have a fire, there is a heat detection link behind these filters. When it reaches the correct temperature, the fusible link will actually separate, causing the system to activate. And the system has fire suppressing chemicals that come out of the tank, run across the ceiling here and out of these nozzles. What happens is these caps will actually blow off like that. The chemical shoots out of this little small orifice, and it will disperse onto the appliance, putting out the fire. The chemical actually will form a foam blanket, which will choke off the oxygen, and the chemical is also meant to produce a cooling effect. If the system does not work, you're supposed to have a backup. It's called a Class K, which actually is supposed to be a silver fire extinguisher, also with the liquid fire suppression in it. That's meant as a backup just in case anything happens to where the chemical doesn't flow out properly. The fusible links, like I said, they will actually rupture at temperature. If you wanted to be more proactive with the fire, you would actually come to this pull station here and just pull the pull, and that will actually set it off manually. In either event, if you set it off manually or automatically, also what happens is, in this particular case, this is an all electric appliance. It will kill the electricity. It will activate the exhaust fan, sucking all the smoke out. It kills the return air, so it doesn't feed fresh air to the fire. You've got a horn strobe there that alerts the staff around you, lets you know the system has been activated. And if it's hooked up to alarm, it will also notify the fire department that you have a fire. Shuts off any kind of electricity back here. If this was a gas appliance, we would actually install a gas valve that would also shut off. So all these things have to be done and inspected every 6 months to ensure the safety of the building. This meets all your requirements from your insurance company, meets the requirements of all the local authorities having jurisdiction, such as the fire inspectors and so forth. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at the office at 757-525-3473. Thank you.